I want to tell this story real fast, okay? I mean, who gets a call from the NFL? And it was January, okay? So the lady asks, would you really like, Natalie, would you really like to do the opening kickoff song for the 2008 Pro Bowl? What do you think I said? I said, yes. Then she said, do you have a song? And I said, yes. And she said, is your song Hawaiian or is it English? Little pause, but I was thinking this is national, maybe I should do like a Hawaiian song. So I said, it's in English. And she said, but it talks about Hawaii. I said, yes. That's for yeses already. Then she said, okay, Natalie, is your song 2 minutes and 28 seconds long? Oh, what a coincidence! It is! She said, okay, Natalie, you know this is January, Pro Bowl is at the end of the month, so you're gonna have to send me that track. You have about 2 weeks to do it, no rush. Oh, thank you so much. Got off the phone. You think I had a song? No. Was I gonna tell her? No. Okay, so I was thinking, what kind of theme could I use for my song? Nothing. Many days passed. Okay, inspiration is coming? No. Okay, so finally, I have like a week left. So I'm sitting on a Sunday in the back of our church, and I'm praying, Lord, I need a song. Nothing. Okay? Maybe I didn't say it strong enough. Lord, I need a song. Nothing. Then I said, Lord, forgive me for lying to that lady on the telephone and telling her I had a song when I didn't have a song. But I need a song. And boom, just like that. These words, this exact music, all of this in the back of our church.